Hello, everybody, and it's another unboxing time. Yay! So I got this here, and we're going to open it up, and I am super happy and excited. I don't want to spend time looking for my MacGyver knife here, so being dumb using a tapestry needle. But here we go. Here we go. One more time. And I'm opening a box of 5. Well, here we go now. It's a little late. It's a little something. But, all right. And it's William. Here's the announcement. This time I'm not going to read it. I don't want to spoil myself. But, here we go. Ooh, pretty. I already have a box. I mean, a box within a box. And it is, ooh, keychain. A rose by any other name would smell as sweet. Ooh, suspicious. I wonder if we got Romeo and Juliet here. Got all the goopity goop. Ooh, what is this? What's this? I have no idea. It's a rose in a jar, and I have a feeling it's a candle. It's a candle! Oh, nice. A lot cleaner smelling than last time. Pretty clean. Very brown. It looks very pretty, and I love the picture on there. Okay, I'll spoil myself a little. It's Romeo and Juliet. Signature blend tea. Tea. Tea, tea, tea. Here's the tea. Oh, Romeo, Romeo. And it's by Fandom Blends. Never had one of these slidey things before. Ooh, it's a loose leaf tea. Smells really good. Looks like it's a rooibos. But soft, what light through yonder window blades. It is the east, and Juliet is the sun. 2 of the fairest stars in all the heavens, having some business, do entreat her eyes to twinkle in their spheres till they return. Wormies, wormies. Bookmark time. Romeo and Juliet time. Yay, it's a very pretty bookmark. It's lovely artwork. Not normally the romantic sort, so I don't know. I'm not feeling this as much as Dracula, but it's a good play, and I do like the idea of having a copy of it. And last but not least, ooh, it's a pretty book. I'll give it that. Romeo and Juliet. Ooh, pretty. Nice soft little play. Oops. See that? Yeah. Has a pretty inside. It's nice and leather on the outside. Fall River Press. Only thing I have against it is it seems to be bound just a little too tight and makes a lot of creaking sounds. But that's okay. That's all right. Just limber it up by reading it, and it'll be okay. It's very pretty. All that beautiful artwork. See? Yes, I think I would like this box very much. So to recap, I got a keychain. Got tea. Spots of tea. Got my bookmark. Candle. And the book, which is the most important part. Thank you, and have a good day.